Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Multifamily X interview. We're live here from Blueprint 2024. Our guest now is Cory Friedman. Welcome to the show, Cory.
Thanks for having me. I really appreciate it.
Cory is the CEO and founder of Kompas. Cory, tell us a little bit about what Kompas do. What are some great things that you have in works?
Yeah, for sure. So Kompas is really an all-in-one PMS centered around modern accounting software. So we're trying to flip the script on a lot of the pain that's out there in the market of being held back by the friction of your accounting legacy software. So we're trying to create an all-in-one tool that does lease management, renewal management, maintenance, tenant and investor portal, prospect portal, all directly tied to a very clean UI in accounting.
Cory, what are your takeaways from Blueprint 2024?
I think my number one takeaway is that we are headed in the right direction. It's super exciting to see all of the innovation, and more importantly, all of the innovation that is built from within the industry. So myself, my background is in the property management space. Kompas was built out of my own property management company that allowed us to scale from 500 to 3,500 doors using this technology. And I see more and more founders and innovators who are coming with that domain expertise from the space, meaning that they felt the problem firsthand, they didn't accept the status quo, and they decided to create their own solution from within.
Cory, if you were to pull your crystal ball and look towards 2025 and beyond, what do you see happening? What are your predictions?
I see a complete changing of the guard happening. I see more and more adoption and more accepting change from the status quo, the legacy players. I think that when you look and you think about the PMS landscape, everybody knows the players in the business who have such dissatisfaction with their customers. And I think we are starting to see the momentum shift where people are open to change and open to migration onto new systems.
Cory, it was great having you here today. Thank you for taking the time.
Yeah, appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.